Hi, my name is Jan. Welcome to Butterfly Tracks. If you're on a long road trip, if you have not taken everything out and gotten it detailed or clean it yourself, you can end up with a horrible, awful mess like this. But the only way to correct that or to keep it really clean is to have it to take absolutely everything out. That's where my refrigerator was. That's probably from one of those powdered drink mixes that I use. And if you cannot get under there, see, my bed was right there. There was no room for me to get underneath my power stations because they're heavy and I just can't move this thing. But look what a mess can be way deep under things when you can't reach them, when all your furniture and everything's packed in here. So everything is out. The weather's not the greatest today, but you can't really plan that. This is the day I have to do it. We're at a cabin, Ramona and I, and that was a chance for me to get everything out and get some deep, deep, deep cleaning. So I'll show you the results and I'll do the progress, putting it back together. Can't wait. It's like a whole new life. This is hard work.
Yeah, this the hardest part.
You just get it set up.
Yeah. Once I get started, and I'm rolling.
And you're hyper focused.
Yeah.
You know? Looks like something Ghostbusters would have.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a pressure washer that you've got hooked up to the cabin water right here.
Yes, ma'am.
First step. Okay, Trenton.
Yes, ma'am.
You're done. Oh my
finished.
gosh, what a difference.
Yes,
you know, you
it.
told me about working with your dad,
Yeah.
and I want to say your dad gave you a wonderful work ethic. You spent hours on this. It was bad, but you did a miracle. Open that door there now, see.
Okay, we're going to start from the back. So I'll put everything how you wanted it.
It's looking so good. Oh, look, he even cleaned under everything.
Carpet cleaned.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that. Now that's hard for me to get to.
So this is the front seat.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was so bad.
Yeah, that was horrible.
That was really, really bad.
It was just fun seeing it done.
I mean, you know, even the doors right here, because we were in the red clay dirt. Yeah. You know, we were in Arizona and lots of winds in the Grand Canyon with red dirt.
That's why.
Red dirt.
Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon, Redwood Forest, Arizona. Dang. I mean, all across the entire United States. So there was a lot of red dirt built up in here. Yeah, it especially up in there, and it did.
I wasn't expecting it to. I had to sit there with my steamer for like 20 minutes.
Steaming it.
Just keep going, keep going.
And look, even in the crevices and everything. Wow, I'm so impressed. Oh, this was bad. Okay.
Some conditioner on your beautiful seat covers.
Yeah, these are nice seat covers.
I love them.
Aren't they nice? Yeah, I mean, they look a lot like the original seats that are in there.
Yeah,
and
I noticed that.
Yeah.
Beautiful though.
First layer of the floor are these puzzle-shaped tiles. They're foam, they're cushiony. I don't get in on my knees, but if I had to, this and all the other layers does help. But it's also insulation for, I suppose, sound and temperature. And I think it might have made my carpet last a bit longer that it wasn't on harder surfaces. This was something that I liked about the Pacifica. Let me just show you here. This is the floor of the Pacifica. That's where the seats, the middle seats went. Second row, no gears. It's smooth here. You can run your hand across it. No gears that are like teeth across there. It's all very smooth. That's another reason for putting this here to cover that up, because there is a hole there. So it evens it out so that the carpet's not trying to fall down in there. The door jambs are clean. All of that is nice. This was really messy. That's the actual car floor. Seats were cleaned thoroughly. These actually are seat covers, leather, real leather seat covers that I bought and put on like as soon as I got it new off the truck. I immediately put the seat covers on and went and got the windows dark tinted. So next comes the floor mats. This is custom made for your car so that it fits absolutely perfectly and spills will not get into the actual carpet itself. Great way to preserve your car. That's been there since I bought it also. That's why the carpet still looks good under there. At least after he cleaned it, it looked good. But I think that this will be a good use of space, and I'll show you that when I put it together. But it's looking good in here. The bed tilted up just a little bit. It's a lawn chair, really simple. Cleaning supplies. Bed's coming together. Now the mattress is kind of old, had things spilled on it. Not so pretty. However, I shampooed it with carpet shampoo, then I sprayed it down with actual chlorine spray, bleach, and then let it dry in the sun. So it's clean and it's still really comfortable. Just had a lot of spills on it and a lot of red dust and red dirt. The bigger battery back there, the Afery, that's a 2400. It's charged by DC to DC with a Blue Eddy Charger 1. This 2000 watt all powers is powered by the 200 watts of solar on the roof, a flexible panel on the roof. I've got a video about that. I really like this stand right here. It's kind of used for garages. It's you can find it in a lot of different places. The shelves are adjustable. It holds a whole lot of weight. And what I like most about it, not only does it hold a lot of weight, but because of the way that it's constructed, you can bungee cord and hook things to it. Even this, I've got bungee corded on there so that it's stable. Nice heavy duty stand. And I have more storage to go on that. Putting bungees around the cabinet here. Also tying the two power stations in so they don't move and the stand that they're on doesn't move. Everything gets tied together. Can be nice and stable. I keep both of the power stations are plugged in and plugged into this extension cord, so I can just roll that out and plug it in from the back anytime I get a chance. Of course, the best use of space is to find places where things fit. So this very narrow garbage can fits there. It probably won't be used as a garbage can. I'll be putting other things in it. It'll just be a container. But that's really quite a bit of room underneath the bed. And it helps that I raised it at least 2 inches with those furniture supports, which made it level because the floor wasn't level. Putting everything back together in my perfectly clean, detailed 2021 Pacifica. This is the Stand Sport Potty. I've shown you how I just sit down on that and throw my legs in. I don't have to get on the floor. I don't have to climb up or down. I just sit down. I've got my Bouge RV refrigerator, which I love. It comes with a battery. It's been thoroughly cleaned, and it's just got it turned back on. There's the bed. You can see that I keep it up a little bit. I'll put links to all of these things below. But it is a lawn chair, pool chair I guess you'd say. So you could sit straight up on it like a recliner, or you could lean it back all the way flat, which I usually like to have it up a little bit. A couple of bug zappers and a windshield cover. I have some new bins. This is a bigger bin that I put all my electric cooking utensils in. Then I'll have 2 of these up here. I have one with various over-the-counter things and, you know, first aid, various things like that. I just switched to this kind of, they call it actually a book bin. And I like it because it has separators in it. Haven't really determined exactly where everything will be, but it's, you know, it's down in the front so I can reach it from this side easier and yet have tall things in the back. I like my new garbage can that hangs on the back seat here. That way it's not taking up floor space. It definitely gives me a little more. I don't have a lot of floor space, but I'm not walking around in here, so I don't need much. Plenty to transfer around, but this gets the garbage off the floor. It's fully lined. Of course, I put bags in there, clip them on, but space saver. I have a 6-inch trifold mattress, which is so comfortable. I really don't need that mattress pad. You can see right there that gray, but that keeps the mattress from slipping around on the bed, and boy, that's a big advantage not to have it slipping around. I'll go and show you the other side now. The passenger side in the back is still the same. I've got my folding chair there, and I've got this footstool to brace it and hold it all in, and this wonderful rug. It's actually a real thick runner, maybe for a bathroom or a hallway, but it's very thick and stands up real good. So I have it between the chair and the bed so that I don't bump against that metal chair all night. Something's off there. There's the back again from this angle. A little bit more to go. I'm almost done though. I'm minimalizing. Yay! It feels so good to get rid of things. As you can see from the passenger side, I did put a lot of water in there. I kind of stocked up a little bit. I usually have gallon size, but these are easier for right now for camping. I have my walking sticks. I've got some paper supplies. This is a new possession that I got with links below. It has so many good pockets. It fits. It's made for the front seat, and it's not just an over the seat hanger. It really holds a lot. I've got my makeup and shower bag sort of thing. I've got the exterior lights that I use for hopefully rodent deterrent. I've got this new great solar powered car charger and tire inflator. Solar powered. Big advantage. I'm going to keep it up here in case I need it. Another good size, actually that's the refrigerator battery there, that orange top thing, and some wires and things. Not even nearly filled up yet. More things can go. This, it attaches to the seat to make it secure. This could be for a laptop. Another zipper container right there in front. It's even got more on the other side, more types of pockets everywhere, plus big things. This would be great for snacks or emergency things or just things you want to get to from the front seat. This is one of my favorites, and it's new. I have this Pacifica dash cover, and I have solar items up here charging in the sun. I have this new storage bin. It's a between the seat storage bin, and it hooks to both of the headrests. You can put your purse in there, you can put snacks in there, all kinds of things. This is the back of that storage bin that's attached between the seats. Anyway, this is for, you can put Kleenex in there, you can put your phone in there, all sorts of things. Extra storage, good use of space, and finally one that actually fits. Ramona and I are at a Cracker Barrel tonight, and I have these new bug shades that are so much nicer than the ones I had before. They're a much thicker material. Bugs are not going to get through that. They fit so much better. It's not just a big loose thing here. That's actually a tight fit on there so that you can open your windows. I don't have my covers up yet, so you can see you can open the windows. Gives a lot of privacy. Look how thick that is. Beautiful fit. I got new blackout window covers, so I'll show you how good they work. Fully lights are on inside. We're at a casino and racetrack tonight, but I've got the hood up because I had to drive around a little bit, and there could be mice right there. I mean, they have dog food down there. It's a dog racetrack, so mice could come up here. I don't have that phobia. So the engine was hot, so I got the hood up. But you saw how the lights are on inside. Can't see. Can't see at all. Can't see any light coming out. And I'll show you the back because I don't have the back covered yet, although I will cover it. So you can see that the lights are on in there, but you wouldn't know it. Completely blacked out. Completely blacked out front too. Boy, what a good fit they are. Just pop right in there. It's great. I'll put a link below. Very stealth. Did I do it good?
You did a good job.
I finally did it. And if you have any more questions, be sure that you leave them below.
Let us know.
I love hearing from you. So stay safe and curious. Keep exploring, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, fade to black.